Welcome to an English coffee office. Today is Saturday, December 20. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. Coffee time again?
Hi, David. Yes, I need my coffee today.
Black coffee, you look a bit tired.
Yes, busy week with projects?
Me too. Sales calls every day, non-stop.
Sounds hard. Pass the cup?
Sure. Here you go. Hey, did you see the news this week?
Some news. Which one?
The one about the military officer. Trump team blames him
Blames him for what?
for the drug boats in Latin America.
Oh, that story. Tell me more.
Pentagon blew up 3 drug boats. They say the officer killed survivors.
Survivors? That's bad.
Yes, Trump team points at him now.
Why him? He follows orders?
Politics. They need someone to blame.
True, it makes news big.
Crazy affects business there.
Yes, our clients in Latin America worry.
Sales drop fast. No one wants risk.
Projects stop too. Delays everywhere.
We need stable news for deals.
Agree. Hope it ends soon.
Me too. More coffee?
No thanks. Sugar, please.
Here, another big news about CIA secrets.
CIA, what now?
A group digs for truth, hit men and mind control.
Mind control? Sounds like a movie?
Real, old CIA tests from years ago.
In USA Today? I saw something.
Yes, they find papers now.
Scary? Government did that?
Experiments on people, secret.
Why tell now?
Group wants public to know.
Good or bad? Hard to say.
Changes trust in government.
Yes, affects tech too.
Our computers and AI, be careful.
Right, no mind control in office.
Imagine boss does that.
Funny but serious.
True, coffee tastes good today.
Yes, one more news. Brown University shooting.
Oh yes, I heard sad.
2 young victims. One wants to be doctor.
20 years old, bright future.
Other in college Republicans, active.
Police look for killer.
New videos, person of interest.
24-year-old man from Wisconsin.
FBI slow, people angry.
Kash Patel criticizes them.
Politics mix in bad.
University's not safe now.
Like our office. Need better security.
Yes, check exit door.
Good plan for all teams.
Project's safer too.
True, less worry.
Hey, weather cold today.
Yes, wear coat outside.
Good advice? Meeting soon?
Big client call at 10.
Luck, I do sales report.
You too, good luck.
Thanks, coffee break best part.
Always, see you later.
Bye, have a good day.
You too?
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.